What's going on, my boys? Coming to you live from the Daily Driver Maxima. I just got out of work, man, and I'm sorry for the slow uploads, and I'm sorry for not uploading on time, but I'm on 712s right now, and they gave me a little early release today, so I got out. It's 6:15. I got out at 5:30, and right now is like the only time that I have to move the car from the apartment to the new shop that we got, because we are completely moved out of the apartment, boys, and completely moved into our new house, which that's awesome, So moving the car from the apartment all the way to the shop, and then we're completely done with the apartment, closed the lease, everything is good to go. So I thought I'd just bring you guys along and pull the car in for the first time to the shop underneath the bay lights and show you guys what it looks like in there, and just reminisce old times inside the garage. And the garage that it's in right now is where the nitrous station was, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and get her tucked away in her new home. And I wanted to bring you guys a little life update, because that's the reason I'm not gonna be as frequent, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, because I'm gonna be stuck on 712s for a while. So yeah, boys, I'm gonna be on 712s for a while, and I really don't know when I'm gonna have time to upload, because winter's coming and it's gonna be getting dark earlier now. So I'm not too sure on when I'm gonna be able to upload, but I will definitely keep you guys posted. But just know that I'm working, man. I'm not just not wanting to upload because I don't want to, but I got some exciting news after this 712s are over. We're gonna take the car to the track. So we've been getting the trailer ready at the shop. I didn't bother to make no videos on that. We just put new lights and stuff on it to get it roadworthy and legal. So that we're getting the car ready for the track, and then right after this turnaround that we're doing, I should be able to take the car to the track, man. And that's some exciting news for you guys and myself. So yeah, man, we're in the Daily Driver Maxima. This thing is freaking nice, bro. Like, I put over 3,000 miles on this car, and I've only owned it for a little bit. And check this shit out. 22 miles per gallon, bro. And for a little V6, this thing's a rocket, bro. Like, I think this car honestly would take a stock Sn95. I'm not even joking. And I'm talking about a GT2, by the way. One last trip out of the garage, boys. This was the nitrous station, set up here. Had all my junk over here, compressor, all my bottles. Sad day, but happy day. Sad day, but happy day. Boys, it sounds so damn good too. Man, that thing looks perfect. There she is, boys. The Sn95 made it to her new home. Really excited to have her under the lights, and that flag kind of worked out perfect. I just need to position it a little bit better, but yeah, looks awesome, man. This is where the videos are gonna be now, man. Hope you guys are stoked as I am. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. It's your boy, 4.6 Chris. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.